Hi, welcome back. I'm here at Now You're Cooking here in Bath, Maine, and today I'm going to make maple seltzer. We're going to start with a bottle of fresh maple sap that I tapped right from my trees in Bath, Maine, and we're going to use a soda stream, which is this cool thing for getting carbon dioxide into the liquid. So I filtered this through a coffee filter just to make sure that there's no sediment or living creatures. It's all natural. And we're going to fill this right to this line. There we go. If you haven't tasted maple sap, it's really good. So here we go. Nice and simple. It's Chris Toy proof. We'll just slide that up just like that, and I'm going to push this 5 times. So there's a CO2 cartridge in there. Let that settle down. We're going to get a little sizzling. There we go. Got our bubbles. Pretty easy. Pretty tasty too. Some people say that maple sap, I guess we could call it maple water or maple nectar, is a really good electrolyte. So if you're working out or something like that, this is a good way to replenish your fluids. That's it for now. Thanks for joining me.